Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, let's open up settings and then go all the way down to about phone. And again scroll all the way down and let's see. Oh, there we go, there is a build number. I'm kind of blind. So you can see there is a build number. You want to tap on that 7 times and then you will get a message you are now a developer. And when you go back, it looks like they placed the developer options, I think in settings in this case. Yep, there they are. Developer options, and I meant in not settings but system and update and developer options, and here you have access to all the developer options right here. Now I would restrain from flipping them on and off at random. Some of them might completely change how your device works, so keep that in mind. I might disable certain more crucial aspects of it, for instance, like let's say network connections and stuff like that. So when you're flipping or turning or enabling disable things, make sure you know what you're disabling. But this is how you would enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.